In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to precisely adjust the margins in your document using a few straightforward steps. This is an essential skill for creating a polished, professional-looking document, whether you're preparing a report, a manuscript, or any formal document that requires specific formatting. To get started, make sure you have your document open. Once you have everything set up, direct your attention to the Layout tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab houses all the elements necessary for tailoring the layout, including size, orientation, and, of course, margins. With the Layout tab open, look for the Page Setup group. Here, you'll find various options, but the one you need today is Margins. Clicking on Margins will reveal a drop-down menu offering several preset margin options. Scroll down this list until you reach the bottom and select Custom Margins. This option provides flexibility, allowing you to specify exact measurements according to your needs. Upon selecting Custom Margins, the Page Setup dialog box will appear. This is where the magic happens. On the Margins tab, you'll find fields titled Top, Bottom, Left, and Right. These fields are where you can enter precise measurements for each margin. If your document will be bound or requires mirrored margins, you might also notice fields for gutter or inside-outside. The gutter margin is crucial for bound documents as it adds extra space on one side, ensuring no text is lost in the binding. Now, enter your desired measurements for each margin. This is your chance to customize the document's appearance, tailoring it to meet specific guidelines or personal preferences. If you're binding the document, adjust the gutter margin accordingly to provide adequate space. While still in the Page Setup dialog box, keep an eye out for the Apply To drop-down menu if it's available. This offers additional flexibility, allowing you to decide if the margin adjustments should be applied to the whole document or just this section. If your document uses section breaks, this option is incredibly useful for maintaining varied layouts within one file. Once you've carefully entered all your measurements and specified your application settings, the final step is to click OK. By doing so, your document's margins will be instantly updated, reflecting the adjustments you've made. It really is as simple as that. And there you have it, a detailed guide to setting custom margins in your document. Whether you're preparing a presentation or finalizing a project, understanding how to adjust margins effectively can make a noticeable difference in the document's overall appearance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this information both helpful and empowering in your ongoing projects.